Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel What the Framework. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic in JavaScript called closures. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and join our coding community. Alright, let's dive straight into the code. For the starter, I have created a function called counter as you can see right on your screen. Inside this function, I've declared a variable called count and initialized it to 0. This counter function returns another anonymous function which returns the increment of the count variable which we have declared on line 3, and this increment is always done by 1. So it's like +1. So in line number 11, I've created another variable called press button and I've assigned the counter function to it, and in line 13 and line number 15 I'm calling that press button. So let me explain you what's happening. In this code, counter is a function that creates a secret counting machine. Every time we are calling the press button, that's like in line number 13 and line number 15, it adds 1 to the count and tells us how many times we have passed the press button. Now, let's take a closer look at this part. The part that is the line number 11. That's let press button and we are assigning the counter function to it. Here, the press button becomes a special function that's created by the counter function. It's like getting your own personal button that's connected to the magical counter. When we call the press button, that's like line number 13 and line number 15, it's like pressing that button. The first time we press it, it adds 1 to the count, which starts at 0. As you remember, the count starts at 0 and tells us the count, which is 1. The second time it adds 1 again and the count becomes 2. So that's why we see 1 and 2 as the output when I will be running it. So if you see, the output is 1 and 2. So if you are enjoying this quick dive into closures, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more bite-sized coding tutorial. So closures are like having your own little treasure chest of variables in JavaScript. They're super handy for keeping track of things and maintaining state in our code. Keep exploring, keep coding, and you will master closure in no time for sure. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and for more awesome coding content. And I will catch you in the next video. Happy coding.